Did you know that you can start earning money online without stocking any inventory, handling shipping, or even worrying about production? Imagine having your own online store where you can sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more, all while someone else takes care of the hard work for you. That's the beauty of print on demand, a simple and innovative way to earn passive income. Stick around in this video. Let's start with the basics. Print on demand, or POD for short, is a business model that allows you to design products and sell them online without needing to keep any inventory. You partner with a POD platform, upload your custom designs, and they handle everything from printing to shipping whenever a customer places an order. This is great for beginners because it removes two major hurdles: upfront costs and inventory management. You don't have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on bulk products. Instead, items are printed only when ordered, making this a low-risk way to venture into the world of online business. First, think about what types of products you want to sell. POD platforms offer a wide range of items, from t-shirts and hoodies to phone cases, tote bags, and even home decor like pillows and posters. The key is to focus on a niche, a specific audience or theme. This could be anything from motivational quotes to pet lovers, or even a hobby like music, yoga, and gaming. There are plenty of tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or even free alternatives that allow you to create eye-catching designs. The more unique and targeted your designs are, the better your chances of standing out. Once you have your designs ready, you'll need to choose a POD platform. Some popular ones include Printful, Printify, and Redbubble. These platforms allow you to upload your designs, choose the products you want them printed on, and list them for sale. What's great is that these platforms integrate with popular e-commerce sites like Shopify, Etsy, or even your own custom website. One of the biggest advantages of print on demand is that you get to control your pricing. The platform will set a base price for each product, covering the cost of production and shipping. You then add your own markup to that base price, and that's your profit. But how do you actually make sales? Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are fantastic for promoting your print-on-demand products. Focus on visual content that showcases your designs in creative and lifestyle-oriented ways. Consider reaching out to micro-influencers within your niche. Offering them free products in exchange for shout-outs can drive their followers to your store. If you choose to sell on Etsy, optimizing your listings for SEO is crucial. This means using keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions that people are actively searching for. By doing this, you increase the chances of your products appearing in search results, leading to more organic traffic and sales. Focus on quality, not quantity. Rather than uploading hundreds of generic designs, aim to create a few high-quality and calculated designs that truly resonate with your target audience. Less is often more when it comes to making a strong impression. Don't be afraid to test different niches before settling on one. POD gives you the flexibility to experiment without any upfront risk. You can create a few designs for one niche, see how they perform. Building a successful POD business doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is key. Regularly update your designs, stay active on social media, and continue to learn from what works and what doesn't. The best part about print on demand is its potential to become a passive income stream. Once your designs are uploaded and your store is set up, you can continue earning money while you sleep. With the right marketing strategies in place, sales can come in within no time. If you're ready to start your own print-on-demand business and take the first step toward financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might also benefit. Until next time, happy designing.